front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off fast charging on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose battery and device care, and click on battery section. In it, scroll down again and tap on more battery settings. Finally, click on this blue sweater next to fast charging, and as you can see, after that, fast charging is disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same, now gray one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!